Hello guys, welcome back to our last video. So in this video, I'm going to do competitor intelligence. So basically, each and every company, each and every brand, there's a competitor somewhere, somehow. No matter how unique your product is, there's going to be a competitor. So this is the whole purpose of this. Um, so we know Delta, I think their major competitor, I think, is Varun. So we are going to go on Varun beverages. So we are going to do here. We are going to get Varun beverages here. So on competitor intelligence, so if I add competitor, so it's going to be Varun beverages. Then competitor URL is going to be that. Then want to do with Zimbabwe. Then maybe I can say Varun beverages about us. Just look for an about us, so that we can leave it. Don't worry, it's not that. So uh okay, did I take the one in Zimbabwe? Foreign beverage Zimbabwe. Okay, still it's fine. Um no need to be worried. So yeah, it's in Zimbabwe. Um so I'll just look for about us. Then I'll just say foreign beverages is that blah 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 blah. Or this. So if I come here and I paste, then for social media, Varun beverages Zimbabwe. Uh, okay, I think it's Pepsi. So we're going to take that. Uh-huh. Then I want to see if they have another website. So this is you're just taking information. So I want to see if they have a website here in Zimbabwe. No, they don't have. So Varun Zim Instagram. See if they have an Insta. So it's Pepsi again, PepsiCo. Copy. Instagram. Okay, let me just open. I hate this. Pepsi Zimbabwe. This. So okay, that doesn't matter. So for the logo, I can just come on Varun Beverages here. So the reason why we're gathering those information, we just want to. You don't need all this, but for this, I just love completion. So for the logo, you can just choose show all files, the loaded. So desktop, this is where we have our file. Then weekly, okay, let's just do weekly. So we can also add documents if you've got documents about the computer. So if I add a computer here, so what it's simply doing here is processing everything about that competitor. It's crawling their website, also the social media that has been presented, everything, all the links. If there's an article on Wikipedia, it processes everything so that it gets a brand DNA now of a competitor. This now is interesting. So our brand DNA engine is so strong, guys. It's so intelligent that it will know everything there is about a company, everything there is about a brand, everything there is about a product. So this is where um, we have an edge over others. So it might take a time. So I'm going to pause it whilst it's doing what it's doing. Then I'll come back when it's done. Hello, guys. Yeah, as you can see, it's now done. We've completed. So what it does now, if I come here into Varun, so there's basically if I click on info, it shows me um everything about this. So Varun Beverages, well, it's an Indian company, but it also operates in Zimbabwe. Here, as you can see, it ended in 2015, etc. So now I can do run analysis here. So basically, what it's doing, uh, it's actually creating a, an analysis of the competition between Delta and Varun, specifically Varun Zimbabwe. So I'm going to pause again the video so that it's not that long, so that I'll come back when it's done. Welcome back, guys. As you can see here, it's done. It took something like about 4 minutes to do this. So the analysis is done. So what is that? What it does? It actually brutally analyzes the correlation between you and Varun, as you can see here. So, for example, here it has sent me an email. There is computer intelligence, so it's done now. So here it's saying Varun is evolved from a nuisance to an existential threat, expanding to snakes and beer, the Carlsberg deal, while commissioning massive new capacity, etc. So recent updates. So the beer war has begun. Carlsberg, as of late 2024, Varun has signed a landmark agreement, distribution, eventual manufacture Carlsberg beer in Zimbabwe. As you can see, the snake attack, it shows that 7 million snake manufacturing plant here in Zimbabwe. Then capacity overkill in December 2024, Varun commissioned two new production lines, one for carbonated soft drinks and one for aqua clear water. Then aggressive pricing, then it's selling, let's say 50 cents for 750 mils. So it gives the introduction, it gives the Varun strengths and advantages, then it gives the weaknesses, then at the end it gives the conclusion. The threat level is extreme, so Varun is coming for Delta. So Delta Corporation is no longer fighting a sovereign war. You are fighting a war for relevance in a modernizing market. The hard truth, consumers are voting with their wallets. Varun strategy of more liquid, less money works in Zimbabwe inflationary environment. The beer threat, don't underestimate the Carlsberg entry. Varun will use same aggressive distribution and pricing tactics in the beer that they use in soft drinks. If they chip away even 10% of your lager market, it will be devastating on your margins. So, as you can see, it creates a summary. So, this is the summary that has been created and actually gives you the sources that you can actually take a look at. For example, if I open this Herald, it will be talking about the research that it has actually come up with here. So this are the exactly see. This is October 29, 2025. Varun Beverage signs the landmark Carlsberg deal. So this is Herald. So it looks for the actual sources that actually credible. So um this is the competitive analysis. So the next module that I'm going to show you. So again, for this module, you can put multiple competitors. It's not just Varun. You can put if you've got Insco, if you've got Coca-Cola, I don't know, you just put. So this also goes to your brand. So if you are selling, if you have got a electronic shop, you can put Fuser Tech, you can put innovative electronics, something like that. You can just do the competitive analysis. This will give you the hard truth. It will not mince it words. It will actually give you the hard truth. So the next thing is going to be the training knowledge. So here it's where all the knowledge that is used in reference with your brain DNA is actually stored. So, for example, if I create a new folder, then I came my web articles here. If I say create, then I come here. So I see there's a Delta URL here. So if I say URL crawl here, then I'll say uh, I just want two for that specific page. I just want one. So if I just start crawling, successful crawled and 5 pages, then actually to be crawling. Then if I come here, I'll do the same thing. I want to crawl here. This I just want to crawl these pages. As you can see, this actually, if you can see here, it means that this has been processed. I can't preview it, but actually it's been processed. So if you come here, you can actually download, then you can actually see it has moved all the information it needed about Delta from this page again. So basically, this is where if you've got documents that you need. So why is this good? Because if I come here in the Creator AI, I can reference now these documents. Then I say new workspace Wikipedia article. Then I do this. Then I come here. So if I come here, then I say, so I've checked my Wikipedia article. I think it's Delta Corporation here. Exactly. It's shallow and doesn't reflect what we do. May you please generate an actual fact-checked article on this. Sorry, don't know what's happening. Okay, yeah. So if I just do this, then delta, then I just do this. Then if I send here, so as you can see, I've referenced that crowd website that I've actually crawled. I've referenced it in my chat. So it simply means that it's now looking at this crowd website or what it is, then now it's going to look at the missing information that is going to generate a Wikipedia article that I can now go and request for an edit. Uh, so basically, these are the modules that we have. So basically, Jorar, this is basically Jorar, which is quite a comprehensive brand intelligence and marketing AI tool that you can actually use internally, whether a small business or whether a big business, you can actually use this. As you can see, it has generated everything that we need, Delta Corporation, etc. So I can just copy this, then I can uh, request for an edit. So yeah, thank you guys for staying there throughout the whole tutorial. I hope to see you subscribing to this platform. I hope to see you using this platform so that you can actually take your brand to the next level. There are so many benefits that I showed you to this platform. So I hope to meet you again.